Cool old abandoned trains. Stay tuned, folks. See if you can find a way on board. Catch you shortly. The old interior all smashed to pieces. Looks like there's a way up there, folks. Let's try and find a quick way up. That's a bit sneaky, so just stay tuned. We're up anyway, folks. Inside the train. Poor. Smells very old. It's all stripped out, as you can see. Must be all waiting for work. Work done, maybe, I'm assuming. All bricks where all the kids have thrown all the bricks through the windows. Look at them old old light fittings. The old seats, curtains, cute little cabins. The old way out. Wow, look at this, cool looking. Little view down the track. Lift handle to apply brake. Cool looking old sign. Yeah, look. Brake lights. Cool old sign. Gas supply now fitted with juice and the shut off bar. Bit of information for you, folks. The floors don't look too safe down here. I'm assuming this is like the old high security part with all this metal fencing all down the front. All the old seating all piled up. Even an old ladder. Cool to see on inside the train though, folks. See if there's anything left of the driver's area. Oh yeah, look at it. Very old. Look at the webs. Cool looking. Train to be stabled with handbrake in this vehicle. Door guards to be locked with carriage key. Such an old sign. All that green decay on it. And look at this again, folks. All them webs. No one's been in here for ages. Instrument lights, engine stop, engine start. Cool looking. All just left sitting here decaying. All bits and bobs up there. What a shame, eh, folks? And some more bits and bobs out the window there. So let's try and have a look through. Absolutely cool to see though. Really is, folks. I've been on trains for a while. Another cool old sign. 1000 volts caution. Definitely worth a look, folks. That's that carriage again from the other end. Shame about the broken windows. All these bricks all over the floor. All the kids coming and throwing all the bricks through the windows. Sad state of affairs. Such a shame. Pause it here and join you back down the front in a minute. Climb down there now. Right folks, back down again on terra firma. Quick look up here in this cab, if I can have a look. Bear with me a second. Bit of climbing involved again. Look at that. Cool looking, and that's the view where we came in. I think it's all smashed to pieces. The old cab. Cool view though. Worth a look. And you've got all this machinery. Look at that there, close up Rolls Royce engine. Just about make it out there. Oh, cool looking folks. As you can see, there's some more to look at. So try and climb back down. And have a little wander along here. So decayed though. Cool to see inside. Look at the state of it. All the old switches and instruments. Cool looking. Yeah. That's a bit more there. Front angle. So much left. Hanley, Staffordshire. Cool looking. So I've a quick walk down here. Look at all this machinery. No ideas what it is. If anyone does know, let me know in the comments. Like something to do with the track, I'm assuming. This one's a little cool looking one. It's like a worker's machine. Quick peek through the window. Overall train carriage up there. Might have to have a look up there in a minute. More old switches on off. Cool to visit folks. Look at the decay on it there. Peeling paint. A view in the down a train. Little view from outside. Like I say folks, we're having restoration done, I'm assuming. We're waiting to have restoration done. Cool old sign there. British Railways. Very old. Cool looking little things though folks. All before the rain comes. That's that workers' train I was on about. Just inside this workers' train. It's like the old like cleaning room and chill out area. I'm assuming little seating bit part. Like fold out seats, look. So you can put your feet up. Maybe even have a little sleep. Like a little room where you come and like medical room maybe, or hand washing and stuff. All them controls. Cool to see. Screen blower. Shut down override. Mileage. Cool to see inside, folks. Just sitting on the seat, admiring the view. Got the view stick. So strange. Another one over there. Oh, see if I can get in this one to have a look. Just bear with me. No. Broken window. Through the window. Ooh. This one's cool to see. Look at all this. That's what you call controls. Wow. Go back a bit. There you go. That is some metal, isn't it, folks? Like being a spaceship. So much left behind. I wouldn't even know where to start here with all this. Servo, buttons, switches, you name it. Cool little seating position. More things there. Brake. More buttons, switches. Definitely cool to see. Foot pedals. Some more gear knobs. Strange looking. Absolutely cool. I love finding things like this to look at. Cool little room. Inside that little workers train is where I came through the window. Oh, that's the one we were in just. Bear with us a minute. Gotta get back down now. Back on terra firma. I want to have a quick look in this train before I go. British Rail one. That one. I saw the door open. So let's have a quick look. Let's pause that there then. Right. We're in, folks. Wow, look at that. The old train. Cool looking. The old seating area. All seen better days. Stripped out. The old toilets, remember them? Hand towels. Definitely cool to see, folks. Quick walk through. Big fern growing there. Crazy little room. Rotten floors. State of this floor here. So, better start getting out of here. This rain's getting bad. So, quick walk back through. Cool bit of graffiti there. Dope. Shout out to whoever's done that. Wonder if I can hop across from train to train. Pushing me luck now, folks. Managed it though. Was in that one, now I'm in this one. All stripped out again. Look at that green carpet. Never right. Absolutely throwing it down with rain. You can get soaked in, men. Haven't even got a coat. They're the ones that are having all the work done, can't get in to have a look. So, get back out now. So I'll pause it here and join you back on the ground in a minute. Bye for now. Right, back on the ground. As you can see, it's absolutely throwing it down with rain. So I'm definitely getting out of here this time. Big thanks for watching. Staying with us all the way through. Definitely cool to see on up inside them trains. That one that was on with all that spaceship control panels. Cool looking. So I thought I'd show you these old coal steam engine parts. I used to be chucking all the coal. See through there. Cool spider web. Massive, isn't it, folks? Cool looking contraption. Oh, hooked up. That's just a little look inside. I'll have to show you, folks. Now this rain's gone off. All the old wheels and stuff left behind. The other end. Cool looking. All just left here rusting away. Full of rubbish. Cool bit of dribbly graffiti. The old wheels and that left behind. Cool looking collection. Some more bits and bobs down there. All this old track here I'm just walking over. That's about it, folks. Still all old bits and bobs left. Worth a little wander down. Definitely cool to see. So thanks, I'll call it here. Join you back down there. Look at them clouds. So much thunder and lightning happening lately. Back to where we started then. Right at the top. So folks, only a quick one. Cool to see. On our little travels. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash the likes, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. You can subscribe, much appreciated. Catch you all again soon. Bye for now.